Like 5 minutes to get anything they want. We could do that in Hot Topic.
See, you think I'm weird?
You're way weirder than this.
I am not weirder than this.
I beg your fudging pardon.
What do I do that is more weird than this?
You are way more weird than me.
In what universe?
This one.
I don't go.
Yeah, you do this.
I was making Arnold sounds.
Dude, we just hit the game. That doesn't mean you can't get fired, all right? If you ever leak what I do ever again, I'm turning around and punching you.
Ow!
A few moments later.
I said 9 people just in case.
Wait, sorry. I don't know why somebody putting this emote after you just did whatever the fuck that was.
Tweaking. Wait, that emote's crazy.
I'm just putting tweaking after you said
He's just so cute.
That was so good.
The face.
It's like cute aggression, but backwards, you know?
Because normally I'm seeing you talk to your kitty like this.
I always go.
Take it. He's just so cute. He's so cute. He's so cute. Benny knows Spanish. So talented.
He's so cute.
He's a cutie.
Look at Benny.
My parents just got a
Stop. Not one another dog.
puppy.
Oh, you're so weird. You're so weird. Ew. Who does that? Who does that?
We have become.
Wait, don't say we. Oh, you speak French now.
No. Listen, bitch, I'm talking about we, okay? We as a collective
There's a wall.
are losing it.
You're passing my boundaries.
Compare us to day
My
one.
bound us?
Yeah, yes, us.
Oh yeah, true. Yeah, us.
Yes, us. Compare us to day one, where we're like, oh my god, like this will be so fun. Let's go to Air One and drink a $27 smoothie.
Wait.
Well, that was so long ago.
You wanna go to Air One?
We
Now you're speaking my language.
We are ready to go out, but I have a feeling Cinna isn't.
Oh. Oh. Of course.
Test me. Actually,
All it takes is one good one, Ray.
Cinna,
One real good one.
I
it's real fucking over for you.
I fucking dare you. I dare you.
Can you imagine?
Don't hurt yourself now. Don't hurt yourself.